Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is fine. My name is Abdullah Bukhari, Leadership Wala. I'm a student at Rehan School Lahore Campus Foundation Level Batch 3. And my today's task is to make a review on a TEDx talk. And the TEDx talk is by Moise Chokat and I'm going to review the video. So, Log Kya Kahenge by Moise Chokat is a motivational and thought-provoking talk that highlights one of the biggest fears many people face in their lives, the fear of being judged by others. The speaker explained that countless people hesitate to chase their dreams because they consistently worry about that what family members, friends, neighbors, or society will think about them. This fear becomes a barrier that prevents them from taking opportunities, expressing themselves, and achieving their true potential. One of the most powerful messages of this talk is that we cannot control people's opinion no matter what we do. Someone will always have something to say. If we become successful, some people may criticize us or feel jealous. If we fail, others may laugh or discourage us because of this. More Shaukat encourages us to stop wasting our energy trying to satisfy everyone. Instead, we should focus on our own goals, values, and personal growth. Living according to other people's expectations can make us unhappy, while living according to our purpose gives us confidence and peace of mind. Another important lesson from the talk is the value of self confidence. The speaker explains that believing in ourselves is just the first step towards success. Every successful person has faced criticism and failure at some point in life. However, what makes them different is that they continue moving forward despite negative comments. Their determination and belief in themselves help them overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams. This message reminds us that confidence grows through actions, learning, and persistence. I also appreciate the simple language and relatable examples used throughout the talk instead of using complicated art. Moshoka shares situation that many students and young people experience in their daily lives. This makes them this makes the message easy to understand and apply. The talk encourages us to step out of the comfort zone, take positive risks, and learn from our mistakes instead of fearing them. Another valuable point is that making mistake is a natural part of learning. Many people avoid trying new things because they are afraid of failure or criticism. The speaker explains that failure is not the end of the journey. Every mistake teaches us something new and helps us become stronger, wiser, and more experienced rather than giving up because of people's opinions. We should continue improving ourselves and remain focused on our long term goals. This talk also teaches us the importance of having courage. Courage does not mean that we'll never feel afraid. It means we choose to move forward even when fear exists. By ignoring unnecessary criticism and believing in our abilities, we become more independent and capable of making better discussions for our future. The speaker inspired viewers to trust their instincts while staying humble and respectful toward others. Overall, I found Log Kya Kahenge to be an inspiring and meaningful talk. It delivers a powerful reminder that life is too short to be controlled by the fear of what others might think. We should work hard, stay true to ourselves, our values, and confidently pursue our dreams. I would highly recommend this talk to students, young professionals, and anyone who struggles with self doubt or fear of criticism. And thank you everyone for watching the video. See you all in the next video. For then, Allah Hafiz.